Here's how to use TR Scooter in 2025. First, unlock the scooter. Open the TR app and locate a scooter nearby on the map. And then scan the QR code on the scooter to unlock it. Prepare to ride. Push the scooter forward to retract the kickstand. Place one foot on the deck and push off with the other to get moving. Use the right throttle to accelerate. To slow down, gently squeeze the left or right brake lever. Use the left and right indicators to signal your movements to other road users or drivers. When you're done, park the scooter in a designated area. Tap and ride in the app to finish your trip. Remember, always wear a helmet and follow local traffic laws. For more information, you can visit and find support at the TR Help Center. Like and subscribe if this video helped. Thank you for watching.